Welcome to Confluence Essentials, a beginner's introduction to Atlassian Confluence by Avant Systems Group. This is the second in a series of videos highlighting Confluence's capabilities as a document handling and collaboration tool for teams, and how it helps people and organizations to deliver work. This video is the second of 3 that make up the course. In this video, we'll cover how to create, edit, find, and organize pages, and how you can collaborate on them with your team. In our last video, we talked about Confluence pages a little bit, but there are actually 2 different types of content you can create: pages and blog posts. What's the difference? Pages are best for long-term content, things that need to be kept, brainstorming sessions, project planning, collaborating, and creating other long-term content across your organization. Pages can be structured in a hierarchy to show relationships, making them easy to find and organize. In Confluence, you'll probably use pages more often than blog posts. Blog posts are best for short-lived content, sharing timely announcements, updates, and news. They're ordered chronologically and can be accessed from the blog section in the Space sidebar. Blog posts work well to share timely updates and announcements with your organization. Perhaps the best way to explain the difference between a page and a blog post is to show how each of them are used. This example shows a page with details and information about an upcoming marketing campaign that's being worked on by an entire team. Its content will need to persist and be referenced later by many members of the organization. This is a blog post, with updates that provide information to the organization on a number of different items, but not critical project information any particular team might be relying on to continue their work. Blogs are great for keeping everyone in the loop on current events in the company. When you create a new page in Confluence, you can start from a blank page or use a page template. Page templates are pre-formatted pages that include guided instructions. These provide a starting point to save you time and keep your content organized. Confluence has over 75 templates for you to choose from, and your organization can create its own custom templates too. To use a page template in Confluence Cloud, navigate to the space you want to make your page in and click the Create button. A new page will be created and you can select a template to apply from the template sidebar. Depending on what kind of template you select, you may have to provide additional information in a pop-up dialog before a template can be applied. Built into Confluence Cloud is a template for just about every need, including those for business strategy, marketing, productivity, human resources, project management, and software development, to name just a few. When there's this many templates to choose from, how do you find what you actually need? The Templates sidebar has some handy search functions built in to help you find the perfect template for the kind of work you're doing. You can use category bubbles to filter available templates quickly, or the search bar to type whatever you're looking for. Now that you've got a template selected, let's get to work and add content to your page. Content can include text, emojis, tables, multimedia, and more. We'll talk about how to use all of these things shortly. As you add content and make edits, your page is automatically saved as a draft. Drafts are unpublished pages that only you can see and will not show up in search results. To find drafts that you'd like to come back to, use the main navigation bar and select Recent, then Drafts. Any drafts that are saved will display below. When you're ready to make your page available to others, you can publish it, granting anyone with the appropriate space permissions to view, comment, or even provide edits of their own to the page. As a reminder, published pages within a space are listed on the left-hand side of the screen in the page tree. When your page is in edit mode like this one, the left side of the toolbar allows you to format text on your page. You can format text, change layouts, add emojis, create tables, upload multimedia, and more. Formatting your text is a simple way to clarify your message and call attention to important information. The right side of the formatting toolbar provides more advanced formatting options, so you can make your pages look exactly how you'd like. Let's go through these items in detail. This is called an action item. Use action items to assign work to teammates. When you @mention a teammate next to the action item, that item will be assigned to them. This button adds a link. To use it, select a line of text on the page, then click this link icon in your toolbar. Paste the URL you'd like to link. This button lets you upload and add multimedia like pictures and videos to your page. You can also simply drag many items into a page from your desktop. This is the @mention button. You can use it to mention teammates, and Confluence will notify them about your page. To use it, just click this icon and type a teammate's name. When your page is published, your teammate will receive a notification. This button lets you add emojis to your Confluence page to give it extra style and personality. You can choose from those which are included or even upload your own. This button lets you add a table to your page. It makes a 3x3 table by default, but you can add or remove columns and rows as needed. Use this button to change the layout of your page. You can select it from a few different layout options like a 2 or 3 column layout and several offset layout options too. Finally, the Add a Macro button lets you make use of additional macros you have on board to extend the capabilities of a Confluence page. Let's talk about macros a little more. Macros are handy tools built into Confluence that extend the capabilities of a page. You can think of them as similar to plugins. They allow you to include extra functionality and dynamic content in your page. To add a macro to your page, you can click the Add a Macro button or simply type the / key to bring up a list of macros available to you. Here's a quick reference of some useful macros you can use in a Confluence page. Pause this video to take note of them. Now that we know how to create, edit, and format Confluence pages and enhance them using macros, let's look at how to organize pages within Confluence spaces. Confluence gives you control over how your pages are organized, so it's easy for anyone on your team to find what they're looking for. You can move pages within a space using the page tree. All you need to do is drag and drop like in this example. You can reorder pages within the list or drag one page onto another to turn it into a child page. You can also move a page using the More Actions menu. This works best if you want to move a page that you're currently viewing. Just click the More Actions icon in the top right of your screen, select Move, then drag and drop the page to its new position in the hierarchy. If you move a page that has child pages underneath it, the child pages will move as well. As we've learned previously, you can usually find a page you're looking for using the search bar with basic search or in the recent dropdown. If you still can't find a page, use advanced search. Advanced search lets you refine results using search syntax, special words and symbols that will specify exact matches, keywords, using operators, and wildcards to help narrow down the result you're looking for. Just click the search bar and look to the bottom of the dialog to access Confluence Advanced Search. Confluence Advanced Search has several useful features to help you narrow down what you're looking for. To find a page that contains an exact phrase, use double quotes around your search phrase. For example, searching for the term weekly meeting notes in double quotes will show search results with that exact phrase match. Results will not contain pages that have only one or two of the words in that phrase. If you're not sure of the exact phrase you're looking for, enter keywords and operators in the search field. Available operators are or, and, not, and group. For example, searching for marketing or digital will show results that contain one of these items. Searching for marketing and digital will show results that contain both of these items. Searching for marketing not digital will show results that only contain marketing but not digital. And searching for marketing or digital and content will show results that contain either marketing or digital but must contain content. Wildcards are characters like a question mark or the star that can be used to replace characters in your search. To replace a single character, use a question mark. To replace multiple characters, use a star. For example, a search of B?G will show pages that have any of the following words: big, bug, bag, beg, or bog. A search for manage with a star will show pages that have words such as manage, manager, management, and managerial. You can even combine wildcard characters with exact matches and operators in a single search query to find something very specific. Confluence has some amazing collaborative capabilities built into it. You and up to 12 teammates can edit a page at the same time with collaborative editing. In real time, you can see which teammates are working on a page and see every edit as it happens. It's a great way to get work done together quickly and efficiently. To start collaborative editing, select the Edit button on any page. Invite a teammate by selecting the circular plus option next to your profile picture. As your teammate begins making edits, you'll be able to see their changes as they happen. We've talked about comments and @mentions earlier in this course. They're both powerful features to collaborate with your teammates. You'll use both features often to give feedback, ask questions, and bring your entire team into the conversation. They save you time and make you more efficient, allowing you and your team to work asynchronously. Everyone saves time limiting back and forth emails and unnecessary meetings. They also help you to gain new perspectives and ideas, allowing more teammates to get involved in brainstorming and ideating. These fresh perspectives give projects the best chance for success. Finally, they create a culture of openness and support. Using comments provides transparency and openness across your team, building trust among teammates and creating a positive team culture. You can use comments and @mentions in a few different ways in Confluence. Let's look at how. Comments are an easy way to provide feedback about an entire page. To do it, just scroll to the bottom of the page you'd like to comment on and type in the Write a Comment box. Saving a comment on a page will automatically set you up as a watcher for that page. You'll receive email notifications when others add comments or make changes to it. You might have noticed that we @mentioned Alana Grant in this comment. @mentioning draws attention from the person you've mentioned by notifying them that a comment includes them. You can do this in comments or within page content itself. Another way you can provide comments on a page is by using inline comments on the page content itself. You can also @mention users here the same way you would on page comments to draw the attention of specific people, or predefined groups like in this example. Another way you can make others aware of your page is by sharing it to them. You'll often need to send pages to teams or individuals. The Share button at the top right gives you 2 easy ways to share a page. Share by name, group, team, or email, type a quick message, and select Send, just like in this example. The other way you can share a page is by copying the link. Select Copy Link to copy the page's URL to your computer's clipboard. You can then paste the URL in an email or messaging app like Slack to share with teammates. Let's recap what we've learned so far. Pages and blog posts are 2 kinds of documents you can create in Confluence. Pages are for important long-term content, while blog posts are good for timely updates. You can apply pre-made templates to Confluence pages to help create them more quickly. Confluence drafts are invisible to everyone but yourself until you decide to publish them. You can format text and other content on your draft or page using the formatting toolbar while in edit mode. Macros extend the functionality of your Confluence pages with dynamic and rich content. You can move and reorder pages within a space using the page tree. You can search for pages and content using the advanced search feature using exact match, operators, and wildcards. And you can share pages to teammates using the Share button. Thanks for watching. Avant Systems Group is a dedicated Atlassian solution partner. We sell, support, and configure Atlassian products for companies of all sizes and provide agile team training. This concludes our second video in this series. Check out our final Confluence Essentials video titled Confluence Best Practices. Reach out to us to find out how we can help your organization get organized.